just been in a salty mood. That's really good. Alright, so I just got done at the gym. I'm making some coffee and I'm about to make some breakfast now. First, let's talk about my eyebrows. Still can't wash them off until about 4 o'clock today, but I think let's have some fun with it. I think I look like this guy. Let me know your thoughts. Twins, right? I think I'm gonna have some egg and avocado toast for breakfast. I've just been in a salty mood in the mornings, like for breakfast foods, like not really in a sweet like smoothie or oatmeal kind of mood, so the cats are fighting. Yeah, so I think that's what I'm gonna have with my coffee. Alright, and then for my snack at work, I had a green apple with peanut butter, and then I also had a protein shake. It was just protein and almond milk mixed together because I'm lifting heavier at the gym, so I'm trying to up my protein. And then I had a salad for lunch. I'll leave the recipe in the bio below. And then I had some dates with peanut butter as my pre-workout snack because dates are higher in natural sugar, which is fine, but it just makes me have a lot of energy at the gym, and it's so good with peanut butter. Don't knock it till you try it. Hey friends, so I just got this pre-workout sent to me in the mail. It's from Gym Vantage and it says Cori Ray Fit on the front. That's really cute. But basically, it's really cool because it's a customizable pre-workout. So you go online and fill out a bunch of stuff about like how you work out and stuff like that, and like how sensitive you are to different ingredients in pre-workout, and like if you get anxious in the gym and stuff like that. And then they send you, like they make a custom formula for you and you get to choose the flavor too. There was like 5 of them. I chose blue raspberry. We're gonna try it out and see if it's good, worth it. It smells good. I've already opened it just so I didn't have to like peel it off. All right, so I'm gonna mix it with water just so I can like fully taste it. I normally dry scoop, but for the sake of this taste test, I'm gonna mix it with water. That's a big scoop too. I don't know if I could dry scoop that. And 1 scoop is 1 serving, and there is 27 servings per container. That's a very random number, but let's mix it up. Don't like it. It's really tasty. It tastes like a blue Jolly Rancher, not gonna lie. Very good. So taste is 10 out of 10. I'll let you guys know how I feel after my workout. This is gonna be my second workout of the day, and it's gonna be more like strength training because this morning I did cardio, as you saw. I just did my normal treadmill workout, like my low impact one. If you guys want to check that out, it's on my TikTok, and I think I've also posted it on here in my Instagram. It's everywhere. Anywhere I post stuff, it's posted on there. So I'll let you guys know how my workout goes with this new pre-workout. So I just got back from the gym. I did upper body and abs for my second workout of the day, 475 hard. Update about the pre-workout. It was actually pretty good, not gonna lie. There was some, our friends were down in there, so I was a little distracted just talking to them. Felt pretty good, not gonna lie. And I like that it's lower caffeine too. I'll probably use that one in the morning from now on, because I do like to have coffee after my workout in the mornings. So far so good. And now I'm having dinner. Tonight I'm having some jasmine rice with salmon fillet, just like a frozen one that we got from Sam's Club, and I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know if it's good or not. And then some veggies, just like mixed veggies that we had in the fridge, like onion, carrot, bell pepper, broccoli, that kind of stuff. And I made sriracha mayo because you guys know me by now. I put sriracha mayo on literally everything I eat. And carrot's good. Alright, so I'm gonna taste test the salmon now. I'm kind of weird about like meat and fish and stuff, so I'm gonna try it with some rice. That's actually really good for frozen salmon. It was like pre-seasoned. That's really good. Like I just got to where I'll eat salmon, and it's only on like occasions. because it's so good for you, but that one's really good. Actually, just in case some of you guys, if you wanted to get the one that I have and you go to Sam's Club, I'm going to show you. This is the one that I made. It's just the marinated Alaskan salmon, and I like it because it's wild caught. Just because I read in a book somewhere sometime that if it's farm raised, they like put antibiotics and feed it crap and like all the salmon and stuff crap, and they live really close together, which is like, you know, inhumane, and I don't want to be eating that. So make sure you're looking for wild caught fish, whatever you're eating. Alright, so now I'm just about to eat this and watch Ginny and Georgia. I've actually started watching that like by myself. That's what I'm going to watch now. I watch it by myself. Jack's still at the gym. He went a little later than me today, so I'm going to watch Ginny and Georgia until he gets back. I'm on episode 2 and so far I like it. Hey guys, so I'm actually sitting here editing this video right now, and I realized I just kind of stopped the video abruptly and didn't end it or like say anything after I finished dinner. So I just kind of wanted to end it on a little recap of what my diet's looking like now. That is a pretty accurate depiction of how it's going. I do intuitively eat. I don't really follow a strict diet. I do not eat dairy. I don't eat dairy. I try to limit dairy as much as I can because it's like a trigger food for my skin. I have eczema, whatever. So I do limit dairy, but I do try to eat foods that just make me feel good, like a lot of fruits and vegetables, and I eat when I'm hungry, try to stop when I'm full, that kind of thing. Like I said earlier in this video, I am trying to eat a little higher protein because 1, it helps me feel fuller for a lot longer, and 2, I am doing more weight training at the gym and trying to increase weight, which, you know, protein is good for repairing your muscles after, you know, you're working out. So I'm making sure I'm fueling my body with the correct foods and things that make me feel good and perform at its best. That's pretty much it. I don't track calories. I don't do macros or anything anymore because I don't really like doing that. It makes me too obsessive over food and I think about it all the time, which is what I don't want to do when it comes to eating. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to comment them down below or DM me on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, I'll put my handle on the screen. And if you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing because it means a lot to me because I work really hard on these videos for you guys. And also give it a thumbs up because it supports your girl. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!